Danish
good.
boy.
Dang.
Oh, you're figuring this out.
Okay, this is for you. Can you open? Go. Yeah, good. Good job, bud.
Hey, bud.
Alright.
Happy first birthday, Dane.
Oh, I have this ribbon.
Oh,
Oh, look at this.
oh, baseball.
Oh,
Oh, Dean,
Oh, that's
look.
pretty great.
it.
Oh, 18 months in a little PJ.
Oh my gosh, isn't that cute?
That's really cute.
So who's that from?
Carol.
Mickey.
Oh,
Oh, cute.
Baseball, of course. That's a good one.
Dane. Baseball. Yes. You're thrilled.
Dean, look at me.
Yeah.
Cute.
Look how cute this wrapping paper is. This is the cutest paper.
Was this also from?
Yes,
Carol and Mickey?
also Carol and Mickey. Oh, what could it be? Oh, it's the little books.
Oh, look at
Oh, fun. What kind of books are those?
They're these little, they're really cute. They're really
Dang.
clever little books.
Dean.
They're kind of,
Chi-Chi.
like, one is a moral and one is an ABC book. And
Dean.
they're cute. Dang, look. Look at Gigi.
Look at
Wow.
Dean. Look at here. Dean. Dean. Dean.
You would be so proud. That's the little thingy.
So, can I see?
Yeah. You can open it.
Nutshell Library. Cute.
Perfect. Okay, to Dane Jensen. To Dane Jensen. He's over on the big box. Yes, that is fun. If he's gonna climb out. And to be opened before he eats cake.
Uh-oh.
Aww.
Birthday boy.
Birthday
cute.
boy.
Oh,
Dane.
cute. Your nose is really
Yes.
running.
I know. Where's that yellow? I think you're sitting against
The
yellow.
K towel.
The K towel? Oh, no, maybe not.
Not here.
Oh, it's in the toy bin. Someone special. Oh, a silver dollar.
Oh, a silver dollar?
Wow.
Wow, that's pretty nice.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Go.
Happy birthday to someone special.
May today and every day be filled with wishes come true.
Happy first birthday, love Joe and Sam. Isn't that nice?
Love who?
Joe and Sam. So that's Debbie's brother
Oh.
Sam, and Joe's
Okay.
the wife.
Neat. That's kind of fun.
Yeah, isn't that cute?
Mhm.
Very cute. Oh, Dean, Dean, Dean. Okay, we've got this one from Grandma and Grandpa. All the way in Alabama, love.
I'm gonna pick up the card over it too.
What? Oh. They're
He likes
good
those
about all the
books.
tape.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's so much tape. I really like tape.